Hello and welcome back to Backend Academy. I have a confession to make today. Over the past few months, I have tried dozens of different portfolio tracking apps and financial websites to try and build my ultimate live investment dashboard, but none of them work for me. Why? Because like most people, I have tickers spread across completely different platforms, and these cookie cutter tools just don't give me the flexibility I need. I always wanted to create my own live diagrams, custom rules, and automated alerts, but the existing commercial tools out there just aren't what I've been looking for. So I decided to take matters in my own hands and build my own inside Excel. And today I'm going to show you how we are going to write a fully custom bulletproof web scraper to build your dream dashboard with absolutely zero knowledge of coding and zero knowledge of AI. We're letting Gemini to do 100% of the heavy lifting. Let's get into it. And by the way, if you want to follow along with me step by step or use this exact custom layout for your own stocks, I have made this starter Excel file available for you to download right now. You can download it alongside the complete version of the Excel file. Click the link in the description below, open it up on your desktop, and let's build this together. All right, let's take a look at our layouts. We have our tickers in column A, as you can see, and company name in column B, to be sure that these letters is exactly the same thing that is related to the company names. And here in column C, I have prepared the original purchase price. You can take a look at columns G, H, and I. Here, I already have my own custom math and formula sitting to track my total purchase prices, and also current total values and actual profit and loss metrics. But right now, they are showing negative value. You can see all of them are negative, or in this case, they are zero, because they are waiting for column D, that is current price, and I need these live prices here. And our automated time step is going to dump all the way on the right side in column J. These two items are also the target price that I want to check my stocks. If they have reached to the target price, I want to sell them, or these are the shares owned in this portfolio. Okay, head over to Gemini. We're going to treat the AI like our personal software developer. And it doesn't matter that you're using the free version of Gemini or you have subscribed to a package of the Gemini. Here's the exact prompt I'm using. And yes, I copied this into the video description as well, so you can just grab it. Let's read it together. I want to track data from a website, any website that Gemini can decide about it, but I have zero coding experience. Write an Excel VBA script that scrapes the live price of the tickers written in column A from A2 to A13. Maybe your portfolio is more than 12 tickers, so you can change it according to your file. With company names written in column B from B2 to B13 of the Excel file, and puts current price of each stock into column D from D2 to D13 of sheet 1. Name of sheet here in my file is sheet 1. You can change it according to your file. Along with the time step in column J from J2 to J13. It's important here that I've written get data from a website or platform that gives me latest data even in the weekends. You may know that in some days in the holidays or weekends, you cannot get the live prices, and you should get the latest data from the website. So let's hit send and watch the magic happens. In few seconds, Gemini will create a ready-to-use VBA code for you. And you can see here something that it's used Yahoo Finance. When you can see that the icon of the this field is normal, so the answering is finished, and you can also find something to how to copy the code and use it. I will tell you how to use it. Let's copy it with this icon, copy code. You can also select all, but it's copy to clipboard easier. Okay, let's go to the Excel. If you press Alt and F11, the VBA environments in Excel will be opened. You can insert a module. And in a new module that is created, you can paste your script that Gemini has created for you. You save it and click on yes and close the window. Now, the only thing that I need is a button. Let's create a shape and apply assign macro to this button. Let's write a name like update. I prefer to write the text in the center of the shape. And if you right click and assign macro, you can click on the code that you have written. Actually, Gemini has written for you, but you're using it. Okay. Okay, now let's click on update to check the live prices. It's connecting to the website, and you can get the latest prices according to your internet connection speed. Yes. Yes, and at the end you can see that pop-up window is opened. The stock price is successfully updated. So these are the current prices. These are live prices, and if you're working in a weekend, so these are the latest prices of those tickers, and the time and date are also written here. You can check it later, and you can check the time. According to the time, you can decide about your portfolio. Now I want to make this portfolio a bit more professional. Until this point, it was the trick of this video, and you can get the code without any knowledge of VBA coding or without any knowledge of AI. You can ask Gemini to do it for you. So it's the very easy step that you can do. But I want to make it a bit more professional. If you click on the table and click on Control T, you can see that the table is automatically selected. And I want to make it as a more professional table like this. And I want to add, let's use the total row here, and I want to make it as none. And now I can obtain the total loss or profit. If I sum it, you can see that my portfolio is positive, and I have profit more than loss here. I can also obtain the current total price by summing these total values here, and the prices I actually bought these stocks, and you can check it. So I can also draw some diagrams. I like to create a pie chart to see which stock has the most share in my portfolio. So if I click on the tickers names and also the current total prices after pressing Control, you can select these two columns. So after that, I can insert a pie chart like this easily. I want to make it a bit more professional. You can use the default cases here. You can also include the values instead of percentages. I can add a new one. I want to copy them. If go to Format Data Labels, you can say that I want to use the values actually, and in this way you can see the amount of total values of each stock. So you can check them according to the values to like this. You can also draw another diagram to see the profit and loss. I prefer to add a column chart with the same, again, the ticker names, and also after pressing Control, I can select the total profit and loss here. So if I insert a column chart, a simple one like this, you can see that each stock has a share in your total profit or loss. I prefer to make it a bit different, and I want to add the labels here. You can see different values for the profit and loss here. You can also combine the cryptocurrencies in this table and include them. For example, if I write BTC USD and write Bitcoin as one of the stocks, the value is too much, so it's better to make it much smaller. So if now update it, we can see that the Bitcoin is also added, and it's updated automatically. Purchase price is not correct. So you can see that it's also included in the diagram. So every single stock, every single ticker you're using in cryptocurrencies or normal tickers, you can write them in the table and create a general and comprehensive portfolio. You can also add some other features to your table and your portfolio. For example, you can change the color of the values of current prices according to the purchase price. If it's higher than purchase price, you can make it green, or you can make it red if it's lower than purchase price. Let's do it with conditional formatting. And at the end, there's a manage rule, a new rule, a formula, and now I can write the formula. This cell is greater than this cell. I want to make it a general formula, so I'm removing the dollar signs here because I want to apply it to other rows of the table too. If this condition is met, I want to change the color of the text, so I can change it as green. And if I apply it, I can apply it to cells more than the first row only until the end of the table. And now you can see that these stocks are in a good situation. So the current price is higher than the price I bought it before. I can also apply another format to make the others as red. If they are lower than the purchase price, I can make them red. So let's remove the dollar signs here. And now if I format it, I can change the color as red. And OK, and apply to the end of the table. So in any case, these texts are red or green. I can also set an alarm for target prices. If the current price is reached to the target price, I can make it different. So I will apply another conditional formatting rule here, a new rule and a formula. If target price is lower than current price, it means that current price is higher than target price. So the target is reached. And in this case, I can make it green to be visible in a better way and to decide about selling or keeping. So I will apply it for all the rows of the table. Now I can see that these two items are in this case. So the actually target price here is very low, and it should be changed because Bitcoin should not be reached that amount. Let me change it like this. For example, it's higher than the target price, so it's green. And in this case, also Coca-Cola, you can see that the current price is higher than target price. You can apply any other feature you want. These are just some examples for make your portfolio more attractive. Just as a tip, I want to say that take care of some errors you may encounter. For example, if your default currency in your system is not US dollar, you may see some other things instead of US dollar here. You may see pound or euros or anything. So you can ask Gemini to write the values according to US dollar. If you found any error in the outcome, you can ask Gemini to resolve it. It doesn't need to know anything about coding in VBA or how to use AI. Just write your concerns and Gemini will correct it for you. So stop fighting with rigid portfolio apps that don't give you the visual layouts or diagrams you actually want. With AI, you can build your own bespoke financial systems in minutes. The starter template with the formula setups and the final finished dashboard with these exact custom diagrams and the fully debugged AI prompt code are all available for you to download in the description right now. If this video finally gave you the tool you were looking for, smash that like button, subscribe for more zero coding automation tutorials and some other videos about Excel and other softwares, and leave a comment below letting me know what features you should ask Gemini to build into this tracker next or other platforms you may need. I will see you in the next video.